I've seen a lot
Beautiful
of
capital
change,
city of Kedah.
through a lot of pain. Some things
Welcome
are
to
not
Alor
the
Setar.
same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
The iconic building Alor Setar Tower.
Stays way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
Masjid paling rare di Alor Setar.
I thought I would never be.
Masjid Zahir.
I strive just to say I'm alright.
Masjid Bersejarah dengan design
And for
yang
the
unik.
first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Dataran Alor Setar.
I'll be okay.
Port Lepek Best Waktu Malam.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Gun and carrying. You can carry anga.
Beautiful scenery.
Sola Potty Turban Tang Lewis. What a breathtaking view. Awesome.
I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still
Mula
nobody
Tengas Potty Ditue.
take what comes and goes, and ain't no one in life holding me back.
John Healing Tengok Soa Potty Mark.
A lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Bola Melawat Museum Soa Potty.
Port Orang hiking di gun and carrying.
Way back a year ago.